Hello everyone, this is Varsha and I am the STEM instructor in ScienceUtsav. So, have you ever played this Mario game in your childhood? You must have played this game. So today we are going to create this Mario game in HTML. We are just going to use some simple tags of HTML and going to create this animation movie which is right in front of the screen. So let's get started. So here I already have downloaded brackets over here. This is a text editor where you write your HTML codes. Over here I will save this file as, I'll simply click Ctrl S and save this file in the desktop as mariogame.html. After this, I will get a boilerplate. Now you must be thinking, what is a boilerplate? Now if I press the exclamation mark and I press the tab button, you see a particular structure over here. This structure is called as the boilerplate. Here we have the HTML, we have the head, we have the title, we have the body, and then the closing tag of HTML. Every opening tag in HTML is closed by using this slash. Now let me tell you the entire structure. The structure goes this way. The first is HTML. Then you have your head. And then you have your title. And then the body, that is your hands and your legs. So this is how you can learn the syntax of HTML. Now let me name this title as something like My Animation Movie. And I will be clicking a button over here that you can see. So I will click over here. So now I can't see anything. I can't see the image. I can't see my background, nothing, because we haven't entered anything. Now remember, anything that we write in the body tag is only visible on our website. For example, if I write H1, my name is Varsha. And let me save this, and here you can see the output, that is my name is Varsha. So anything we write in the body tag is visible on our website. Now let's start with the coding part. Let's make this amazing Mario game. Okay, so the very first thing that you could see on the in the Mario game was the background. Now how to insert the background? In the body tag, give space and write background. Inside the background, we have to specify the location where this image is saved. I have two images over here. This is the background image that I'm having, and this is the Mario image that I'm having. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to simply write the location of this image. Since this image is saved in my desktop, and my application, this application of HTML, this Mario game of HTML is also saved in the desktop. Your image and your HTML file needs to be saved at the same place only. So since my image is saved on the desktop and its name is mario.jpg, that's what I'm going to write with the extension of the image. If it's PNG, write PNG. If it's JPEG, it's write JPG. So here my background will come that you could see the trees and the greenery over there. Let me save this and let's see the output. And here you can see. So here is the output of our game, where you can see the image, the background image, which is so interesting. Okay. Now the element that is missing over here is the Mario. Let's put that element. Now you could see that the Mario was moving, right? So it was moving because of a tag named Marquee. I will simply write MARQUEE and close this tag. As I said, every opening tag in HTML needs to be closed by using a slash. So there is a slash over there. Now over here inside the Marquee, we will insert the Mario image. For that we will write img, that is the image tag, and we will give the source, that is the location of the image. Now my image name is mm.gif. This is the name of my image. I will write it over here and I will just close it. Let's save this and run this. Come on, 1, 2 and 3. And there you can see my Mario running. But my Mario is flying somewhere in the air. How do I get it on the floor? For that, we have a command which says BR. Now you must be thinking, where should we write this BR? We should write this BR between the body and the marquee tag. So I'll just press enter and write BR and BR. Now let's save this and let's see the output. Okay, still it's not down, it's still in the air. We need to add some more BR tags to this. So I will copy this and paste it. And let's save this and let's run 1, 2 and 3. And there you can see it's again in the air. For that we need to write some more BRs, I guess. So let's copy this and keep on pasting over here. And let's save this. And now you can see our Mario on the ground. But the Mario is moving in a different direction. How to set its direction? For that, in the marquee tag, we need to set a particular direction. For example, here I write direction and I will write it right. If I do that, let's see the output. See, it's moving from the right side. Similarly, if I do it up, it's actually moving up. But we need to move it to the right hand side. So I'm changing the direction to right. And I will just save this. And let's run this. So here it is. Don't you feel that coding is so easy? Just by little steps you have created a Mario game. So this is all for now. Thank you.